guys, praise Jesus and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited for this challenge. So thank you so much for clicking on this video. So what I am going to be doing, I'm going to use this solution and just apply it to my hair. And this is the solution that is mixed with onion juice, castor oil and olive oil. So this challenge is going to be for 6 days. I am going to be applying onion juice solution to my hair and leave it for 6 days. Can you imagine that? So what I am doing, I'm just applying and massaging my scalp. So massaging your scalp is such a very important thing as far as your hair is concerned, because it aids in blood circulation, which in return it will promote hair growth. So I am done, and basically I'm going to take a plastic cap and just cover my hair. There we go. And I'm so thankful that today it is sunny where I'm living, and it is going to be so nice. Like everything is going to be cooked up just inside here, and we will see after 6 days. So this is how I am going to be for the whole day. Like I'm so excited about this thing. I can't wait to see the results, you know. Like I really love onion juice. Even I don't remember when I just applied an artificial treatment on my hair. I don't remember. So this is the 2nd day, and basically I'm just repeating the same process, just massaging my scalp, and I'm not going to add the mixture again. I still have the mixture on my hair, so I'm just massaging my scalp, and that's all I am doing on this day. So guys, if you have not tried onion juice, like what are you waiting for? Like it is so relaxing. Can you see that? It is so relaxing when I am massaging my scalp. Like onion juice will promote hair growth. It will. So this is the 3rd day, day 3 of this challenge, and basically I'm just massaging my scalp, that's all, and I'm gonna cover it up. So onion juice will make your hair shiny. If you want your hair to be healthy and just to be fuller, if your edges are not there, onion juice will really help you with consistency and good care of your hair. Onion juice will make your hair grow, and your hair will look so healthy and fuller. I really like onion juice. You know, Jesus said that, are you tired and weary? Then come to me and I will give you rest. And by the way, Jesus will give you everlasting peace, eternal peace, if you come to him. So I'm saying in this way, are you tired of thinning hair, your hair that is not healthy, breaking off, dry? Have you tried onion juice? So on this day, what I did, I just added the solution again, and this is the 5th day. So I warmed the solution again, and then I'm applying to my hair. So can you try onion juice and let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like this video, and leave me a sweet comment down below and let me know what you think about this video, okay? And let us be friends and share this video so that it can reach as many people as possible. And as long as your hair condition is not medically related, I think onion juice will really help you. Like you have the solution in the kitchen, and I think some people will be wondering about the smell. When you add in some natural oils, it kind of reduces the smell. It is not that strong. So here we are. I just shampooed my hair, and I'm so excited. Like my hair has added some length within that period of 6 days. Like it works. Onion juice works. I'm not promoting onions. Why would I promote onions? Like everyone uses onions. Why would I promote them? I have no Please don't know promoting onion, I'm just saying the truth. So you can see my hair, like before my hair was above the braids and right now it's almost below the braids. Like my hair has added within 6 days. So I'm so excited. And even at the back, as you can see, before it was not below the bra strap, right now it is below. So like my hair has grown, and as you can see, even my hair is darker. So this thing is the truth. And even it prevents your hair from breaking. And this is what I got when I was detangling my hair. Like before, when I stopped using onion juice, my hair was breaking so much. And this is a picture that you can see of how like my hair was breaking when I was detangling. So this works. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.